Welcome to Techvalley here at Productronica. I'm delighted to be joined by CK Park. Nice to see you again, CK.
Nice to you. Yeah.
Okay. So you're actually a fairly new name to the European theatre. You're a Korean company. You make a very leading edge X-ray system. But tell us something about you. What's your background?
Techvalley is established in 1997 in Korea. And we have a very good technology which is driven by our customers Samsung and LG, usually focused on mobile devices. Right. So we are already number one AXI machine and technology innovation provider. So I would like to introduce our high-tech technology and the best practices in our country to introduce to European countries.
Okay. So are you using, is it batch systems or is it inline X-ray that you're using?
Yes, we have a three category of system. One is for high volume customers. We have a complete inline implementation application and also batch processing. And also we have offline AXI, which is targeting for low and medium inspection volume applications.
Okay.
So, okay.
Excellent. So, tell us a little bit about the technology inside your systems, because I believe you've got some fairly unique technology features.
Yeah. One of our unique one is iTop technology, which is based on AI platform. So far, the current traditional, the best solution for double-sided mounted boards, the so-called laminograph, it is accepted as best solution. But laminograph always require 5 or more images to avoid the overlap pattern and see the defect result. Right. But our iTop technology based on AI platform is recognized only using a one image, so that if software knows which one is top component and which one is bottom component. So once our naked eye can recognize it, which is top and which is bottom. So exactly the same, our technology and software can recognize the components in different way. So that we don't need to more images, multiple images, only one image is enough. So that we can significantly reduce the cycle time for inspection. So the cycle time meet the production cycle time is the bottleneck with the laminograph so far. Right. So we overcome this bottleneck and we accomplished a complete solution.
Yes, I mean, you're right. I mean, that has been the time lag with the laminography, right. But then also the image quality has been not so good either.
Image quality is fully acceptable enough for automatic defect recognition.
Right. Okay.
Right. That's
so you use the term AI. I mean, a lot of people use that term very loosely around here. I mean, they say artificial intelligence when it's really just assisted intelligence. It's working from a library. But your system is using artificial intelligence. Can you tell us a bit how that works?
Our artificial intelligence is not the same and common as others is using. This is developed our own in-house development and our unique system. I cannot tell the more technical details, but our AI platform is very much optimized for multiple patterns of inspections.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, it certainly sounds very exciting. So you're a new company to Europe. What are your plans to increase your presence here in Europe?
Yeah. First, I would like to focus and priority in technical support to our customer first. So since we exhibit and show our machines last Nuremberg SMT Connect show, and I focus on construct the infrastructure for technical support in the nearest distance from our customer. So now we have a established demonstration and technical support center in Hungary, Budapest. So we are ready to give a technical service and solution to our customers.
Wonderful.
Right now.
Okay.
Okay.
And do you have any installed machines in the European area?
Yes, in Poland we have several customer, but so far our machine is only focused for our Korean customers running in Poland. But now we are ready for locally European customers already. Yeah. Okay.
Well, we wish you every success, CK, and it's certainly an exciting product to be launching into the European market.
Thank you very much. One more thing is we have a discrete European discrete web page. So through this web page, we proactively collaborate with our customers. They can have much information about that through that web page.
Super.
Thank you very much.
And you'll see that at the bottom of your screen.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.